I'm Ashlyn.
I'm Zach.
And this is Sierra. And we're traveling A to Z.
This week we're in Portland, Oregon.
Join us as we give you a tour of the McMenamins Kennedy Schoolhouse.
We are going to stay at the McMenamins Kennedy Schoolhouse. So we're going to go check in and then give you a tour. We're currently at the McMenamins Kennedy School, which originally was built in 1915 and it was a school. McMenamin then bought it, renovated it, and it opened in 1997. It's kind of a gathering place with restaurants and bars and has 57 rooms. Each room has a bathroom and a sink. Every room is different and themed, which is really fun. There's a newer wing called the English wing, which is separate from the actual school. And they have like a breezeway that goes over to that side. And the only way to get to that wing is by having a key. The rest of the rooms you can walk by if you're visiting the school.
As you walk through the halls and some of the guest rooms, there's chalkboards that are part of the historic character of the building.
Office or check-in. We're currently staying in the English wing, which is the newer wing. We're in room 141, and we're in the Ireland room. Every room is different and themed. Some are original, like what the actual schoolhouse room looked like. Some are themed. This is our room. We have a nice king-size room.
The English wing carries literature or author-inspired themes. The headboards and decor reflect a literary theme rather than school-aired schoolroom features. These rooms tend to be quieter. They do not have a chalkboard because they're not old rooms like the old schoolhouse. These rooms do have a basic private bathroom.
That's really cool. So they give you a little mason jar so you could take this to the bar or to the gift shop. They'll fill it with whatever cider or beer you want and you could drink it in your room or take it home. Bring your mug to the hotel lobby or first floor English wing from 5 to 11 for complimentary coffee.
In the room, they have a lot of different informational brochures that talk about the history of the building, the different rooms, the activities that are going on, and you get a map.
They allow the public to be here. There's a few restaurants, a couple bars, and a public swimming pool that they heat to around 100 degrees. So we're gonna maybe go check that out. This is a really cool room. I'm excited to go explore this hotel.
As you walk through the hall, you'll see original artwork and historic photographs covering the ceilings, doorways, halls, and walls. The art is seamlessly integrated into the decor, and you'll find mosaics as you walk and wooden panels blended into the architecture. There's a self-guided art and history tour pamphlet available at the front desk that points out many of these artworks and their stories. We're now going to check out the soaking pool, which is open 8 a.m. till 10 p.m. every day for guests. Beware, it is closed 1 to 2 times a month for maintenance.
100 degrees soaking pool. Looks really nice. At 7:30, hotel guests get to only use it. The soaking pool was the former teacher's lounge.
There are lockers available to put your stuff in while you're in the pool.
You could soak in their pool, which is around 100 degrees. People usually will book that online, and you don't have to be staying here to soak in their little pool. The Courtyard Restaurant and the Cypress Restaurant and Bar are available for anyone 21 and under. There are 3 other bars on the property that you have to be over 21. So they have 3 bars, the Detention Bar, the Honors Bar, and the Broiler Bar, which minors can't be in. There's 1 bar that they can't be in because they serve food.
The Detention Bar is a small intimate bar that emphasizes single malt bourbons, beer, wine, and cider. We next went into the Cypress room. The decor in this room leads toward a relaxed island reggae vibe, and you can hear reggae tunes as you have a drink or eat food. This room used to be an old classroom.
One of the bars is in the Broiler Room, which was really cool. I just checked it out really fast because Sierra can't go in. It's pretty neat.
The Boiler Room is a multi-level bar carved out of the building's original boiler room. When you walk in, you see old cast iron piping, original boiler doors, and other vintage mechanic bits repurposed as railings and decor.
We have a theater that is available for people who are staying here for free, or for the public you pay a price. They have food, drinks, beer available at that theater. They show a couple shows a day. It looks like a lot of fun. The theater's really nice, big roomy seats. It used to be the old auditorium. We're gonna go have dinner at the Courtyard Restaurant, which was the old cafeteria.
The Courtyard Restaurant is open from 7 a.m. till 11 p.m. or midnight, depending on the day. It is open for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and happy hour. The menu has a Northwest-style pub fare with seasonal local ingredients with house-made pizza, soups, burgers, and much more. Outside the restaurant, they also have a courtyard with seating area with plants and a large fireplace.
There on this property is also a lot of meeting areas and spaces, which were like the old gymnasium and library.
At the gift shop, they feature nitro coffee on tap and a cider growler fill station. You also could buy different souvenir items such as McMenamin brand merchandise, wines, ciders, and other memorabilia. If you're a guest, you also pick up your free pencil at the gift shop.
This is a really fun place to come and visit. I recommend checking it out. Get a drink at the bar or eat at the restaurant. Just left the McMenamins Kennedy School. It was a really fun place to stay. It would be a really fun place just to hang out also, but staying there was a really cool experience.
Pretty neat place. They have a bunch of bars, restaurant. I've heard more than one, but we only saw one. The pool is really nice, and it's kind of a funky hippie spot. Yeah, it's neat.
I definitely recommend checking it out when you're in Portland.
I hope you enjoyed exploring McMenamins Kennedy Schoolhouse with us. Please subscribe below to follow more of our adventures.